Welcome back everyone. Today we're gonna see how to connect Bluetooth headphones or AirPods to PS5. Firstly, insert the adapter into a USB port of your PS5, which is a Bluetooth audio adapter. You can use the front USB port. Now hold the adapter's pairing button for 5 to 10 seconds, and the LED light will usually blink to indicate pairing mode. Now hold the Bluetooth button on your headphones and wait for a confirmation tone or voice prompt. Once both devices are in pairing mode, they should automatically connect. You may hear a voice or tone from your headphones confirming the connection. Most Bluetooth adapters only support audio output, not mic output. So for chat, use the built-in mic on the DualSense controller or plug in a USB mic or a 3.5mm headset to your controller. Some premium adapters like the 1MII BO3 supports two-way audio, mic and sound, but check the specs to be sure. Now you can enjoy wireless audio while gaming on your PS5 for better latency and quality. Make sure your headphones support aptX low latency on AC. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.